My name is Andre. Today I was going to show you this rebuild project that we have over here. It's a 2017 Dodge Ram 1500 that we picked up from Insurance Auto Auctions recently. And I just wanted to show you guys this truck, show you the damage, what we're going to repair, and then in the end I'll walk you through how much it cost us, how much the part cost, and like how much this truck is, ended up costing us. So check out this truck. It's 2017. It has 7,000 miles, and as you can see, it has some front end damage. But the main damage is right here. You can see from this side. You see, like, the fender is damaged. This is the left front suspension, and see the headlight is missing. Senor Henry is getting ready to move this truck. Hold on, Senor, give me 1 second. So the main damage is just suspension over here. Obviously you can see the axle is broken, and that's it. The fender, that's about it. Inside the truck is really clean, and you see there is no damage like anywhere else in the back or anywhere. Everything is clean. All right, guys, so let's put it inside the shop and inspect it. The challenge is to get it inside the shop because the suspension is damaged. We can't drive it, so we have to use this forklift to try to get it in.
Okay, take it out.
Oh no, it's in park. Yeah, baby. Beautiful. Nice, Senor. Mr. Henry, this truck is finally on the lift, and we're gonna lift it up and inspect the damage in a few seconds. So what do you see over here? What's the damage? What do we need?
The suspension.
Complete suspension?
Yeah.
Axle, lower control arm,
Yeah,
strut.
Yeah, so complete suspension.
I see some wires are cut. But it doesn't look that bad. I mean, underneath it looks pretty clean. I don't see any damage. I see somebody use some zip ties over here. I don't know what they did, but I see something is cut. What is this, like brake? No, there's some electrical wires are cut. Interesting. All right, we'll see what's going on. Okay guys, so as you can see we took out the suspension. It's here on the floor, pieces of it. As you can see the strut is completely shot. The axle is bad. Control arm, I'm not sure about the spindle, but anyway, took everything out. It doesn't look that bad. I can see over here, you know, if you behind this panel you see this damage to the body a little bit, but this is just cosmetic, just scratches, nothing serious, definitely no like heavy structural damage. So to be honest with you, I don't know why they totaled this truck. You know, to me it seems like it's really minor damage. Definitely not worth the total $35,000 truck, you know. But hey, I can't complain, you know. That's why we're in this business doing it, because of the deals like that. Sometimes, you know, you get lucky. One other thing, when we bought this truck, for some reason they said it didn't start, and maybe that was the reason we got a good deal on it. But when we got it, we started right up. I don't know. Maybe they couldn't test it. Maybe the battery died. Maybe they were lazy. But in any case, so we have a new suspension over here. I mean, it's not brand new. It's came from another truck. It's used. So you can see everything is here. The spindle, lower control arm, upper control arm, strut. So we're gonna put it in, and this thing is gonna run and drive in no time, thanks to the magic of this man, Senor Henry. Senor, you feeling optimistic about this project?
Yeah.
It doesn't look too bad, right?
The chassis is good.
Yeah,
That's the main.
That's the main thing.
That's the main, yeah.
All right.
No.
Okay, guys. While Senor Henry is working on the suspension, we're gonna go get him some nice coffee and a donut to give him some boost of energy. See you soon. Senor, it can be better than a nice fresh Colombian coffee
Forget it.
when working on the suspension, right?
Forget it.
Only the muffin, this muffin,
And my Christian music.
and your Christian music.
Forget it. Spirit uplifting. The best.
finally it's ready. Let's see if this thing drives now. I'm sure it will. Thing runs and drives, guys. Congratulations. Beautiful. So I know it was very fast on the video, but it actually took quite a few hours to replace the suspension. So let's see what's going on right now. So you see, we put in the suspension. Obviously we have to do wheel alignment because we couldn't do it perfectly. And right now we're gonna bring it to a body shop, and they will replace fender, headlight, bumper, and that's it. And hopefully this truck is gonna be ready to rock and roll very soon. Stay tuned for the part 2 of this video, and if you like what you see, subscribe to our channel, guys. There's much more amazing content coming up. And we'll see you guys soon. Check out the inside of this truck, guys. Look how clean it is. There's no airbag lights. I mean, no airbags deployed. No damage. Just mint. The only thing is I noticed is that they cut the seat belts. Probably they got stuck in the accident. On both sides they cut, so we'll have to replace those. Other than that, I don't see anything wrong with it. It's like pretty much brand new. Truck has 7,000 miles. Unbelievable. Okay guys, we noticed that the battery is completely shot, so we have to replace it. Pretty easy to do. Even I can do it. Yeah. Alright, so we got all the parts here. Well, hopefully like all major parts that we're gonna need. So you see the bumper reinforcement, the bumper cover, we got the fender liner, fog light right here, brand new, the headlight, and the fender right here. Everything we're gonna need to fix this truck. So we'll take it to the body shop right now. Hopefully the next few days it's going to be ready. It will look like new. And then I'll talk to you guys. I'll tell you how much it cost us to buy this truck, to fix this truck, and if it was worth it or not. You'll see everything. Okay. Let's take this thing for a spin. Oh shit, I forgot the seatbelts are cut. I'm sorry guys. Alright, let's go. Drives pretty good. I can hear some noise, but because something is rubbing against the wheel. Obviously the fender is damaged, so it's not a big surprise. Is this like window tint on the windshield? Like I can't see anything.
No. Yes. No, I don't know.
Yeah, it seems like somebody tinted the whole glass. Wow.
Man, we'll take note.
Okay guys, we're here. Victor's repair shop. The next stop. And hopefully this truck will be like new in a couple days. So we'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe and check out part 2.